In the fight against cancer, the most critical factor is the truth, and that truth is found here. Welcome to the Center for Oncopathology, the diagnostic heart of the Tata Cancer Care Foundation. The Center for Oncopathology is built and shaped by decades of oncopathology expertise that delivers unmatched standards of diagnosis in cancer care.
We have an excellent team of oncopathologists who give accurate diagnosis in best turnaround time. Every slide matters to us, and we try to give the best diagnosis in the best turnaround time.
A patient's file is essentially a document which will keep a record of his entire management. In that management, what has guided the management is essentially the pathology report. So depending on what is the diagnosis, patient's treatment is tailored accordingly.
The center also receives and processes biopsy and excision specimens sent directly to us, because the way a tissue sample is processed determines whether critical tests such as immunohistochemistry and molecular studies can work. Every quality process ensures that tissue preservation is never compromised.
The responsibility of being accurate is huge and immense, and at the same time we also realize our limitations. Each slide is actually patient. Even if something looks very familiar to me, to my eyes, and it does not fit the puzzle, the clinical puzzle, the symptoms, the findings of my clinical colleague, I still take a step back and reinvestigate. We really tread on a very thin balance of being accurate and then not going overboard, because that can lead to over-treatment.
Here at the Center for Oncopathology, it isn't just about identifying the disease. It's about understanding its behavior, its specific biomarkers, and mapping its course with absolute accuracy. We bring together India's most sophisticated diagnostic capabilities, from histopathology and cytopathology to advanced immunohistochemistry panels and cutting-edge molecular studies that analyze a sample with genomic-level precision.
Molecular pathology is a very technical field. We know the implications of our results. Whenever we get the sample, we treat it as important and we try and keep it simple. We know that our results can change the course of treatment in patient's life, and it can change the prognosis dramatically.
I approach it with great awareness. We ensure that all the quality standards that we have defined are met. And interpreting oncopathology cases is a skill that is honed over the years. What I try to do is keep myself constantly updated with newer literature that emerges worldwide. It may be to do with diagnosing a tumor or even treating a tumor.
The most renowned doctors and hospitals in the country turn to the Center for Oncopathology when they have to navigate crucial diagnostic challenges. Why? Because of its NABL-certified laboratories, expert panels that review complex cases, and for a trusted second opinion. We go the extra mile to give the maximum possible information on the sample provided. As a unit of Tata Cancer Care Foundation, Center for Oncopathology upholds a commitment to empower awareness and education through academic programs, training initiatives, and continued knowledge exchange. Today, we continue our mission of strengthening cancer care with precision, compassion, and access at its core. Center for Oncopathology, specialist cancer diagnostics, advanced capabilities, and expert interpretation for diagnostic certainty in cancer care. A unit of Tata Cancer Care Foundation.